Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this warrior inspired braid hairstyle. I love this so much. It's a good hairstyle to keep it out of your way. First you're going to add some gel to the tops of your head after you parting it down the middle. Make sure you add quite a bit on the top so it just stays nice and smooth. Now on the first side we're going to take it a small piece at the top and about 1/4 of an inch or an inch size piece, and we're going to split it into 3. And then just begin braiding under. You're going to add pieces only on the top part, taking fairly small sections. I'm just using my nail to part the pieces. Again, make sure you're only adding from the top. Once you get to the back of the crown of your head, you're just going to continue braiding. Braid a few inches down, and then just add an elastic. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Take a 1-inch piece, split it into 3 sections, and begin braiding under. After taking the first few stitches, you're going to begin adding pieces again only on the top side. Under, and then just grab a piece of hair, about a 1/4 inch piece, and add it to your section. Again, only on the top part. This is called a lace braid. Once you get to the crown of your head, you're just going to braid all the way down, about a little over halfway. Now we're going to join the 2 pieces in the back together. Put the rest of your hair in front so you don't get it all tangled up in the other pieces you're fixing, and put an elastic. Then you're going to take a topsy tail, and after wrapping the elastic, use the topsy tail and put it through the elastic, and then pull the piece of hair through. Now we're going to do the side pieces. Take a piece from about the corner of your temple and then just begin braiding under. We're going to add from the top and the bottom this time. Again, taking about 1/4 inch pieces. Add pieces in the back of your hair all the way to the end that's wrapped, about to the middle of your head. And then add pieces in the bottom up until about just right behind your ear. Then again, just braid all the way down, about halfway, and then do the same thing on the other side. Take a piece from your temple up to the top, about 1.5 inches, and begin braiding under. We're adding pieces on the top and the bottom. The smaller pieces you take, the more intricate your braid will be. On the bottom, you're just going to add pieces until about right behind your ear, and on the top, add pieces all the way to the wrapped end piece that's together. Your first braid. And the key to keeping this not tangled is just to part your hair each section. I didn't show this. Okay, now you're going to put these 2 together and wrap it with an elastic. I like goody elastics. Now take out the other elastics from the braids and unbraid it, and then take a small piece and wrap the goody elastic. And then you're going to begin making a Dutch braid. I'm adding bigger sections here. You can add small, bigger, it doesn't really matter. Just add sections and just continue braiding all the way down after you've ran out of hair to add. When you get to the end, just add an elastic, and again we're going to wrap it just to make it look a lot cleaner. Take a little piece of hair and wrap it around, putting the topsy tail through the elastic, and then take the hair and pull it through. And there you have it. Hope you all enjoyed this warrior woman inspired hairstyle. I love these kinds of hairstyle. It makes me feel super proud and powerful, and I love it so much. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe below. I would love to have you on board. Thanks for watching. Bye.